End-of-year housing market update, December 27, 2022. The housing market in the U.S. has been facing a difficult situation as sales of existing homes have fallen 7.7% in November to an annualized pace of 4.09 million units, according to the latest report from the National Association of Realtors, NAR. This is the 10th straight month of declines and marks a 35.4% year-over-year drop in sales. These figures reflect contracts that were signed back in September and October when mortgage rates were at their highest levels since April 2009, making it more expensive for buyers to purchase a home. The higher interest rates have put pressure on potential buyers who are already dealing with tight inventory levels and rising prices due to limited supply as demand continues to outpace new construction activity. It's not all bad news though. There were 1.14 million homes for sale in November, which represents a 2.7% increase from November 2021 figures and is the most since February 2020 before declining due to the pandemic. Low supply levels across many markets nationwide caused prices to rise even further than in previous years. As such, NAR chief economist Lawrence Yun believes that homebuyers need more options for affordable listings if they want any hope of finding success amidst current market conditions. Something he says could be accomplished by increasing new residential construction projects across major metropolitan areas throughout America over time going forward into next year or beyond depending upon how long these issues persist. However, despite these lower interest rates helping potential homebuyers out financially, single-family housing starts continue to drop due to stubbornly high construction costs and elevated interest rates. According to data released by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, and the U.S. Census Bureau, single-family starts decreased 4.1% from October levels with an annual rate of 828,000 homes started in November, down 32% since February's 1 million unit starting pace. Year-to-date figures show that single-family starts are down 9%. So while lower mortgage rates could help increase demand for new homes amongst those who can qualify for financing, it is not enough to lift overall construction activity. More investment into affordable housing materials such as wood products, insulation, etc., along with smarter regulations needs to happen if we want to encourage more builders back into action. The last few months have been a roller coaster ride for the housing market. The pandemic and economic turmoil have caused disruption, and many homeowners and potential buyers are feeling the pinch. However, there is some good news. Mortgage rates have dropped significantly over the past 5 weeks. According to Freddie Mac's Primary Mortgage Market Survey, PMMS, average 30-year fixed mortgage rates fell from 7.01% on November 10 of 2022 to 6.27% on December 22 of 2022, their lowest level since September 2022. This means that monthly payments on a $200,000 loan would be around $100 less than they were at their peak in November of this year, which could mean savings for potential homebuyers. Overall, this decrease in mortgage rates helps create financial relief among Americans looking to purchase homes despite challenges presented by the COVID-19 outbreak plus other economic headwinds such as skyrocketing inflation. It is therefore important that both the federal government and private sectors remain vigilant when creating policies and lending standards respectively so that more people are able to take advantage when a favorable environment emerges before the situation worsens once again. In conclusion, while it may be concerning that existing home sale numbers continue dropping each month, especially compared to last year's totals, there still appears some hope on the horizon, thanks to increased inventory seen during the past several weeks coupled with steady economic stabilization forecasted into near future despite the recent slump brought about by mortgage rate hikes in the late summer and early autumn period. Hopefully, continued efforts by local governments and developers alike can help make the dream of owning a home become reality among the growing number of prospective buyers soon enough.